Hey, how you guys doing? This is your boy Julius here, and I'm with the amazing Rica. She's a part of the Build Wealth Academy community, and I just want to get a few quick feedback from her from being a part of the community. She's one of the members that's been riding with the community since the beginning. So I just got a few questions for you, Rica.
Yes.
What would you say is one thing you took away from the Build Wealth Academy community?
I mean, the one thing, the most important thing is just getting acquainted with building on the business side, learning the business side, because I've been on the personal side for a long time now. So I'm trying to learn the business side. And I was a little nervous in the beginning talking to Julius about, the business funding and all that good stuff. So, he was like, you just got to believe in yourself and you got to go and jump. And once I heard that one word jump, I'm like, let's go. You ready for it?
Right. So that's the thing. If you haven't been on the other side of the fence, it's a little scary.
Right.
It's really, really scary. We all come from humble beginnings. So
Absolutely.
if you don't have somebody that's been on the other side of the fence that's telling you, hey, look, it's good on this side. You just gotta jump. And once you get on this side, you're not gonna want to go back.
Absolutely.
So it's one of them situations that we have with Rica. But hey, she's here. She's a part of the community. She's taking over, and she's not looking back. So awesome.
Yes.
So I just got one more question for you,
Yes.
Rica. So for everybody out there that hear us talk about the community, that's not a part of the community, but want to join, but a little skeptical, what would you tell those individuals?
I would say believe in yourself. It's high energy in the community. Everybody that's involved in the community, everybody is, trying to move forward, move ahead. And you just got to believe in yourself and go for it. Everybody is high energy. Everybody get along. They want to see everybody succeed. So, I mean, it's just a great community to be a part of. Everything is positive. So you won't regret it. Just believe in yourself and go for it.
Awesome. That's a really, really good feedback, and that's pretty much it, Rica. I just wanted to kind of just get your feedback on, being a part of the Build Wealth Academy community.
Yes.
And I look forward to growing with you. I look forward to expanding current businesses that we have.
Yes.
And let's just keep doing what we're doing and just keep pushing to the next level.
Absolutely. We're going to the top.
Awesome.